think, I don't know, there's no particular reason. It was not like a thought of thing to not do a single. I think maybe I was approached earlier also for a few songs. Sometimes your sensibilities don't match. Sometimes you don't like a melody, maybe you like the lyrics, and sometimes you like the melody and not the lyrics. So like you said, I pick and choose a lot. When I heard it, I found what I liked when I heard the song for the first time was it was so much fun. Like I felt very happy, and that was one reason. And I also heard that Shazia and Piyush were going to be choreographing it, and you know, for me it makes a lot of difference who's behind it all, who's the mind and who's directing it and who's the choreographer. And I've always wanted to work with them. They're all of 23-year-old and 24, 23, and they're doing some amazing work and great dancers and choreographers. And when I went, and that same thing happened there, you know, the way they choreographed it was very, very, very simple yet very twisted in some places. So you know, it just to pick up those nuances, it took me like a day or two. So yeah, that's the reason. Actually, honestly, bolu, I am really, I have always been very blessed in that. I mean, when it's about the fitness, and I believe that I am a disciplined person. So जो मेरा everyday yoga होता है या meditation होता है या my food habits, they are how they are forever. Like now I can't even remember from the time that I have been doing all my sadhana, and also I have lots of injuries, so I have to kind of work with it, which is why it's a very conscious thing, because I know कि मैं gym गई या functional training किया तो मुझे फिर से कोई ना कोई injury हो सकती है. So everything is very charted out, and अब वो मेरे schedule में बैठ गया है कि morning में उठो और 2 घंटा अपने आप को दो. So when a song like this comes up, and when I know that, you know, probably I have to wear certain clothes that will show my midriff, all I have to do honestly is stop carbs for 10 days or 7 days. Like I am not how I was in the song now, and that's absolutely all right. You can't be, you know, how you're supposed to look in a song or in a particular project in your everyday life. It's not possible, you know. So जितना हो सके आप, you know, you can never be perfect. So whatever, how much ever perfection you can achieve for a certain project, I try to do that. जी नहीं, देखिए अगर मैं इसकी कोई भी, if I say anything else, but what is actually the fact, which will be that I actually do my work, and I actually, you know, I've been studying the Gita for a very long time, almost 2 years. Every week, in fact, tomorrow is my next Gita class. It says Karmanye Vadikarastu Ma Phaleshu Kadachan. It is not, you know, it's just so bizarre that when you do something and you actually don't have any attachment to the results, you will find yourself way happier and freer and carrying less baggage, a lot less baggage, which is what I have also realized. बिकॉज हाँ, ऑब्वियसली मुझे एक्साइटमेंट भी उतनी है, नर्वसनेस भी उतनी है, पर मैं जो नहीं कर रही हूँ कॉन्शियसली, मैं सिर्फ एक बार गई हूँ जब से सॉन्ग रिलीज़ हुआ यूट्यूब में देखने के लिए, वो भी आई थिंक 2 घंटे आफ्टर द सॉन्ग रिलीज. आफ्टर दैट मैं जा ही नहीं रही हूँ. मुझे ऐसा है कि ये मेरे हाथ में ही नहीं है, तो मुझे जितना भी प्यार मिलेगा उतना मैं बटोर लूँगी. रेस्ट ऑफ इट, इट्स उसका कोई मतलब ही नहीं है. But like you said, people are watching it, people are giving me this song. In fact, more than me, I think it's the audio is very, very strong, and you know, Tanishq and Sukhi ji are so good. So it's a collaborative process. It's not just me, it's our director, my entire team, you know, our choreographer. So I think we all are getting a lot of love, which is very, very nice and overwhelming. Oh my God, he is a brilliant mind. He's all heart, and I think he's given this project his life. If I remember right, remember him telling me he's been working on this for 7-8 odd years, this project, from the time he thought of it and then he wrote. So yeah, I think I'll speak more about it when the film is on release. But yeah, he's a God's child. He's God's one of the most favorite children for sure. They're fire on screen, and they are beautiful human beings on set. So I feel very lucky, you know, on that particular project. I got a chance to work with Nagarjun sir, and obviously Mr. B sir, the greatest. Oh my God, I can't forget that day. Shahrukh sir. So it's just, yeah, dream you never think will come true. It was something that came to me during a pandemic, and I don't know if it was my answered prayer or not. It was very, very long, and things were getting pushed. A lot of things have gotten canned as well. 2-3 projects that I was doing last year, and because of the COVID situation, I got that project, and I thought it was a meaty role. So I was there in London summers, shooting in the London outdoors, in the main city. Can't be anything better at that point of time. मैं इसके बारे में सोचती ही नहीं हूँ, इज़ व्हाट आई हैव टू से, क्योंकि देखिए आप एक सर्टन हम सब एज इंडिविजुअल्स अपनी चॉइसेस मेक करते हैं. वी चूज समथिंग फॉर आवरसेल्व्स. As actors, I think we're very, very lucky to be doing what we absolutely love doing. You will never hear an actor saying ki, I woke up in the morning and didn't feel like going to the set, unless you're unwell. So, when we are in a process like that, everything comes with certain responsibilities, certain baggages, certain positive and negatives. You can't treat it like that. You have to treat it like a part and parcel of your life. And I think what is most important in every profession is to kind of focus on yourself and be responsible for your surroundings, because that is the only way you can function and move forward. Because if you're looking inwards and in your own life and try to make your own immediate environment better, that's all you can really do. Nothing is, you can't do anything else other than that. क्योंकि आउटसाइड जो बाहर के कंडीशंस होते हैं उसके ऊपर आपका कोई कंट्रोल वैसे भी नहीं होता. सो जो पॉजिटिव्स या जो नेगेटिव्स है आपको उसी तरह से डील करना पड़ता है. एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन, sadness, anxiety, all this is a part of our daily life, especially people living in a metropolitan city or something. So you need to quickly also know that they are these unwanted guests in your life. They'll come and go, and you kind of deal all the negatives of the profession also like the same way. मैंने बचपन में पढ़ा था पर मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था इतना ज़्यादा. बट दिस गीता वो गीता का सार पढ़ा था आई थिंक मैंने. ये पतली किताब होती थी, मुझे याद है. पूजा करके सुबह सुबह मॉम बोलती थी पढ़ो, तो हम पढ़ते थे लिटरली लाइक संस्कृत लाइन और ट्रांसलेशन. Last 2 years back, my best friend, my childhood friend in fact, she lives in Abu Dhabi, she started studying it. And Mataji or Prabhu, Shweta Mataji or Rahul Prabhu, they are amazing. They are both professors and they're doing it just for seva. So I also joined the group right before the lockdown, but अभी 1.5 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया है. बट जिस वक्त मैंने शुरू किया था मैं क्लासेस कर नहीं पाती थी क्योंकि उस वक्त शूट चल रही थी नॉन स्टॉप. तो कभी कभी वो मुझे एक्स्ट्रा क्लासेस दे देती थी. बट ड्यूरिंग द एंटायर लॉकडाउन आई वाज वेरी रिलीजियस एंड एवरीबडी, इट शुड बी अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर स्कूल करिकुलम. I genuinely feel it more than a religious book. It is not just a religious book. It's life का सार. Everybody, it's eternal knowledge and it's basic knowledge. आप कोई भी क्वेश्चन खोल के गीता, कोई भी क्वेश्चन आपके दिमाग में उसका पूरा का पूरा सारा आंसर है. स्कूल करिकुलम में होना ही चाहिए. और बचपन से अगर कुछ चीज़ें होती हैं जो बहुत ग्रास रूट लेवल पे इनकलकेट करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. जैसे थोड़ा बहुत मेडिटेशन, थोड़ी बहुत एक्सरसाइज एवरीडे की, आपके माइंड को उतना ही स्वस्थ रखने के लिए. मेंटल हेल्थ पे जो हम इतनी सारी डिबेट करते हैं, आई थिंक इट शुड स्टार्ट फ्रॉम very, very early age, so that you kind of know the difference between, even if you're getting some negative thoughts, what to do about it, which doesn't lead to something that has gone very, very bad, or that needs real help. So मोस्ट डेफिनेटली. पर मुझे जेन्युइनली लगता है कि पूरे देश में, इनफैक्ट पूरे वर्ल्ड में इसकी बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है. और फॉरगेट अबाउट द वर्ल्ड, इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट इंडिया, इफ़ यू थिंक अबाउट इंडियन फैमिलीज, जितने सारे हमारे बैरियर्स हैं, जितने सारी हमारी रूढ़ी थॉट प्रोसेस है, लाइक वी टॉक अबाउट बेटी पढ़ाओ बेटी बचाओ, वी शुड बी टॉकिंग अबाउट बेटा पढ़ाओ. एंड इफ ही मेक हिम understand a certain thing. So I think the society is in the need of this knowledge, or this I don't know, the basic things that people need to be aware of. We are not aware. We're literally living in ignorance, and we actually come from a country of all the Vedas and Upanishads, and we don't do anything. We're sitting on a pile of gold mine and we don't do anything about it. So to answer your question, yes, most definitely, entertainment industry is a place where it's a very, very stressful place. You don't have a concept of real Saturday, Sunday. You don't have a concept of 9 to 5 job thing. We are constantly consumed in our own minds and thoughts, for sure. But having said that, even the rural India, even the different, like all, whether it's the villages or or the towns or the cities, we all are in dire need of what Bhagavad Gita teaches.